Hi everyone, looking for a personal AI friend you can customize or match your vibe? Let's set up the AI companion in Muah AI. It's easier than you think. First, head over to muaai.com and then download it or create a free account or log in if you already have one. And once you're in, tap on Create Companion. Pick a name, gender, or leave it neutral. Then, now you can have fun. Design your AI's look. You can adjust the hair color, eye shape, outfits, and voice tone. Preview the changes live while customizing. Choose the AI personality style, whether it's friendly, flirty, motivational, or calm. This defines how your AI responds to you in conversation. Then you can enable the features like daily affirmation, virtual dates, game nights, or voice chats to level up your interaction, and you're all set. Chatting, sharing stories, and let the AI companion brighten up your day. There you go. Your fully customized AI bestie is ready. Try it now on Muah AI and make every convo extra fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.